Hi, my lovelies. How are you doing today? I just wanted to come on here for a quick minute and show you my new sunglasses that I got from Janae Naylor, I think her last name is. She just came out with these new sunglasses. The name of the company is 12 p.m. 12 p.m. Studios. Yes. Look at that. Look at that. I purchased these glasses last week, and I am so excited to open them up. I love sunglasses. I don't really spend a fortune on sunglasses. I think I have a lot of sunglasses, but they're not expensive. They're, just see some sunglasses and like them. I think the only pair that I've spent a great deal of money on was, I didn't spend it, my husband did. He got me these nice glasses. So I wanted to come on here and unbox my first pair of really nice, well, my second pair of really nice glasses. I wanted to support Janae. She is like fashion, the goat of fashion from what I can see on her channel. And to come on here and show you, look at the box, so nice, wow. Yeah, she did her big one on this. Oh, I love it. Look at the case. The case is really nice. Now I'm really excited to see the glasses. I mean, she has like a couple of, I don't know all of the names. I think the NYC, the New York glasses, I thought they would be too big, even though every pair looks like dynamite on her. But I thought, I thought these would look better on me. These are the Milan. Oh my God, they're gorgeous. Look at that. So, okay, can I get this off? What is going on? Oh, I can't seem to get this plastic off. Ah, got it off. Anyway, here we go. Oh, yes. Look at these. They are gorgeous. And they look good on me. Yes, darling. Yes, darling. Let's have a glass of wine. Ooh, on the Riviera. Oh man, these are really nice. Ooh. Glad I got these. I thought I love the other ones, but I just thought they would be a little bit too big on my face, even though her face is like so tiny, and every pair of glasses she tried on was gorgeous. But I really like these. Check it out. 12 p.m. Studios. I love them. Wow, these are really nice. Now Mama gonna have these glasses everywhere she go. It's gonna be dark, it's gonna be cloudy, I don't care what it is. I'm gonna put my glasses on. I'm going outside with my glasses, honey. We outside. We outside, honey. Sun, snow, rain, sleet. I don't care what it is. Mama gonna have these glasses on. And the way I can lose some glasses, not these. They're gonna be locked up tighter than Fort Knox in my pocketbook. They're like, where my glasses at? That's what I'm saying. Where my glasses at? Woo! Oh, I love these. Thank you for designing these, Janae. They are awesome. Anyway, I just wanted to say that. Bye. Hi. So I am back from having lunch with some friends, and I went and got my nails done. And I just wanted everybody to see my glasses that I was referring to last night. Um, I received in the mail, 12 p.m. Studios. These are the Milans, which I love. They fit my face really well. And I wanted you to see them in the day, the sun out, and let you know how much I really love the glasses. Anyway, that's all I had to say. I will see you in the next one. Deuces. Hey, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see when I'm posting any new videos. Thanks a lot. Bye.